Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the messaging app that handles RCS, typically Google Messages or your carrier app. Once open, tap the three dots or settings gear to access chat features. You need to be on mobile data or Wi-Fi for the toggle to register, so make sure connectivity is active. If you see chat features or advanced immediately, you're in the right place. Otherwise, look under notifications or general to continue. This gets you to the controls you'll change next. Now, find chat features or advanced settings and open that panel. You'll see a toggle labeled Chat Features, Rich Communication, or Enhanced Messaging. Tap it to turn off RCS. If a confirmation appears, accept it. Some apps will deregister your number from the RCS service, which can take a minute. Once toggled off, return to the main inbox and restart the app so the change fully applies. This prevents your messages from sending as RCS and falls back to SMS. Finish by sending a test message to someone who normally receives RCS. If it shows as SMS or MMS, you're done. If your app still shows chat features as active, restart the phone and recheck the setting. Reboots often clear cached registration. If deregistration fails, sign out of the messaging app or contact your carrier to remove RCS from your account. As a troubleshooting tip, clear the app cache or reinstall the messaging app if toggles won't stick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.